In 1969, humans took their first steps on Earth's only natural satellite, the Moon. It was a monumental achievement in the history of space exploration. We know what it took for humans to get there, but what did it take for the Moon to get there? To find out, we must go back in time some 4.5 billion years. The leading scientific theory of the origin of the Moon is the giant impact hypothesis. According to this theory, around 4.5 billion years ago, during the early formation of the solar system, a Mars-sized protoplanet, referred to as Theia, collided with a young Earth. The impact was so powerful, it ejected a significant amount of material from both Theia and Earth into space. This ejected material eventually combined and formed a disk of debris around Earth known as the lunar disk. Over time, the particles in this disk began to clump together due to gravitational forces, forming the Moon. Our Moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system, about 1/6 the size of Earth. It has a diameter of around 2,159 miles. Scientists say our Moon's circumference has shrunk by about 150 feet in the last million years. That doesn't sound like much, and it won't affect Earth, but it indicates a geologically active satellite. In fact, the Moon is still hot inside. It's cooling off though, and that causes the surface to shrink, like a grape, shriveling into a raisin. The Moon's surface is rocky and heavily cratered with plains, mountains, and valleys. Its appearance in the sky changes due to phases caused by the interaction between sunlight and its orbit around Earth. These phases range from the new moon, when the moon is not visible from Earth, to the full moon, when the entire face of the moon is illuminated. While Earth's moon is remarkable, it's not alone in having companions in the cosmos. Many planets in our solar system have moons, each with unique characteristics. Mars has 2 small moons named Phobos and Deimos. These moons are irregularly shaped and thought to be captured asteroids. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a whopping 79 known moons. Some of the largest moons, known as the Galilean moons, include Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn has over 80 confirmed moons, with its largest being Titan. Titan is notable for its dense atmosphere and hydrocarbon lakes. Some dwarf planets and large asteroids in the outer solar system also have moons. For example, Pluto has 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. In recent years, there's been renewed interest in lunar exploration, with plans for future missions to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there. Overall, the Moon continues to be a source of wonder, inspiration, and scientific discovery for humanity.